Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Snowcreek Resort. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, spa, non-smoking rooms, tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. Snowcreek Resort located 3 miles from the Mammoth Mountain Ski Area. Snowcreek Resort offers free access to Snowcreek Athletic Club and complimentary greens fees at Snowcreek Golf Course. All comfortably furnished units include a full kitchen and laundry facilities. Each apartment includes a fully equipped kitchen, a grill, a fireplace, a TV with cable channels, and a DVD player. All warmly decorated units include free internet access and a balcony. All apartments feature keyless access, eliminating the need to check in or out at a central office. Just a short walk from the Snowcreek Resort, the Snowcreek Athletic Club features 2 swimming pools, a full-size gym and steam room. Spa services and wellness packages are available. Snowcreek Golf Course is a short walk from this resort. Obsidian Dome is 30 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.